Okay, first step here is to take this bearing off. So I got a bearing puller here. So let's see if we can't start separating this from the shaft. Okay, so it seems that using these and trying to get it behind here and open that crack up to get some space behind the bearing isn't going to work. And I got to thinking why is when you have a bearing fully intact, those bearing pullers go behind the cage here, and then that cage kind of gets jammed into the inner race right on this lip here and helps pull it apart. Well, I don't have the cage there, and if you look closely, I had to grind all this down so that I have a lip here now. Some spots it was actually pretty level, so I don't know if the bearings just got fused and made a new surface, but I just took a grinder like this, a diamond grinder, and just slowly went all the way around to create a deep lip that's just as deep as the lip here is at the top. So hopefully by putting that bearing puller right there without putting a lot of pressure to squeeze it will help pull it apart and pull that off. So let's set things up and give it a try. Alright, T56 enthusiasts. Well, so far I've been unable to get this part of the bearing off. I tried pulling it off with putting the claws right here at this edge and they just tore off. I tried grinding it down here and then over here, 2 spots, and it's as if it's just fused to that shaft. It will not budge. I tried pounding it off, but it is just fused onto that shaft. So if I can't get it off, I'm probably just going to have to get another shaft, I guess. Any suggestions would be appreciated. For right now, I don't know what else to do with this. Alright, until next video.